Part 41 of chapter 3. Jalal one day went forth and preached in the market. Crowds collected round him, but he continued until night fell around him. So he was at length left alone. The dogs of the marketplace now collected in a circle about him, wagging their tails and whining. Seeing this, Jalal exclaimed, "By the Lord, the highest, the strongest, the all-compelling one, besides whom none is high or strong or powerful. These dogs comprehend my discourse, and the truths I expound. Men call them dogs, but henceforward let them not be so termed. They are of the family of the 7 sleepers." You know, there's that story in the Quran. You got the people, their numbers left to as not the important thing, but there was a dog. And so are you the one? Are you the dog, or are you the other group, right? And it's not where society deems you. It's where you are spiritually. And so you've become something.